Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Marcelinus Revan Burhan, 22nd Management Class, student number 2241102X. Here I will explain about working capital management. Number 1, the importance of management working capital. Working capital management is one of the main concerns of company financial management. It concerns how managers make short-term financial decisions. Proper working capital management can maximize business profits in research conducted on manufacturing companies registered in Indonesia. It was found that working capital management has an inverted U-shaped quadratic relationship with company profitability. Apart from that, financial constraints also affect the relationship between working capital management and business profitability. Therefore, good working capital management can help increase company profits. Next, definition working capital. Working capital management is a financial management activity relates to managing capital or capital used for as companies, production and business activities and the short term. This working capital includes the company's investment in current assets such as cash, receivables, inventory, and depreciation. The goal of working capital management is to ensure the business has sufficient capital to fund daily operational activities and maximize business profits. Working capital management involves making decisions regarding working capital turnover, such as cash turnover, account receivable turnover, and inventory turnover. This decision can affect company profits. Therefore, good working capital management is very important for business success. Next, component working capital. The working capital component is the company's investment in short-term assets that are used for the company's operational activities and the short-term. The following area several components of working capital that are generally used in working capital management. Cash receivables supply short-term liabilities. Cash flow is an important element in a company's working capital. Cash is cash held by a company to fund its daily operation activities. In a study conducted on listed manufacturing companies in Indonesia, it was found that banks that had a significant inverted U-shaped effect on liquidity can also affect company profits. Therefore, good cash flow management is essential to the success of a business. Receivables are an important part of a company working capital. Account receivable is the amount of money a business must receive from customers to sell goods or service. Receivables turnover is a ratio that measures how quickly a company collects money from account receivable. The faster the turnover of receivables, the higher the efficiency the company collects money from customers. In research conducted on trading companies in Indonesia, it was found that receivables turnover has a significant influence on a company liquidity. Therefore, proper management of account receivable is very important for business success. supply. Inventory is an important component in a company working capital. Inventory is an asset that a business holds for sales or use in the production of goods or service. Inventory turnover is a ratio that measures how quickly a company converts inventory into cash stock sales. The faster, in, the faster the inventory turnover, the, the more efficient the business convert inventory to cash. In research conducted on automotive subsector manufacturing companies and their components listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Investment found that inventory turnover has a significant influence of profit partially. Therefore, good inventory management is very important for company success. Next, short-term liabilities. Short-term liabilities are company obligations to third parties which must be repaid within 1 year. These short-term debts include business debts, bank loans, and other obligations that must be paid immediately. Proper short-term debt management is important for the success of a business because it can ensure that the business has sufficient capital to fund short-term debts and minimize the risk of bankruptcy. Several ratios used to assess a company's liquidity, such as the current ratio, asset test ratio, and cash flow ratio are also related to short-term debt management. So, manage long-term responsibilities. Good short sales are critical to business success. Next, cycle working capital. The working capital cycle is the time it takes a company to convert working capital investment into cash. The working capital cycle includes the main elements, namely inventory conversion time, average receivables payables collection time, and payables transfer time. The inventory conversion rate is the time it takes a company to convert inventory into cash stock sales. The average collection period is the time it takes for a business to convert receivables into cash by receiving payments for customers. The debt moratorium period is a time for the business for the transfer. Cash receivables stock payment to supply good working capital management can help optimize the working capital cycle and maximize business profits. Several studies show that average collection time has a major impact on a company profit. Therefore, good receivable management is important for a company's success in optimizing its working capital cycle. Evaluation working capital. Several working capital evaluation methods that can be used by companies include: number 1, working capital turnover methods. 2, liquidity ratio methods. 3, statistical analysis methods. 4, receivables control methods. Next, working capital turnover method. This method measures how quickly a company converts working capital into cash through sales. This method can be used to evaluate the efficiency of using working capital and determining whether the company has sufficient working capital to fund daily operational activities. Next, liquidity ratio method. This method measures a company's ability to meet its short-term obligations using current assets. Some commonly used liquidity ratio are the quick ratio, the asset test ratio, and the cash ratio. Liquidity ratio can be used to evaluate the company's ability to meet its short-term obligation and determining whether the business has sufficient liquidity to fund day-to-day operating activities. Statistical analysis methods. This method is statistical analysis to evaluate the relationship between working capital and profits of a company. This method can be used to identify factors that influence business profit and profit recommendation for increasing business profit. Debt control methods. This method measure the effectiveness of controlling trade receivables in order to increase a company working capital. This method can be used to evaluate the effectiveness of account receivable control and determine whether the company has enough receivable to fund daily operational activities. Inner challenge working capital. The challenge in working capital management is facing rapid environmental change, increasing competition, and unstable economic conditions. Some specific challenge in working capital management includes number one, accounts receivable management to limited access to capital. Number 3, minimal management skill. Number 4, low liquidity. Number 5, technology change. To overcome the challenge of managing working capital, companies need to develop appropriate strategies such as optimizing human resource, increasing employee job satisfaction, and managing reasonable account receivables. Apart from that, companies must also strengthen management capacity and look for alternative solutions to meet working capital needs and keep up with existing technological developments. Management strategy working capital. A working capital management strategy is a series of actions a company takes to manage and optimize its short-term assets and liabilities. The aim of this strategy is to ensure that sufficient capital is available to manage daily business operations, while minimizing the risks and costs associated with working capital. Let's define the company's business. That, that is all. That is all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.